Hey, it's me again. In this video, we're going to talk about the good and bad snack foods. The first thing you need to know is that if your metabolism is slow, there are certain snack foods that they tell you that are good that are actually bad. So I'm going to go through what you should snack on and what you should not snack on. One of the best snack foods, believe it or not, would be peanut butter. Now, why? Because peanut butter has a sugar of like 1 gram per serving size. So that's pretty low. But make sure when you buy peanut butter, it does not have added sugar. So you have to really read the label. Okay? A bad snack food would be fruit. Now, even in my book, I do recommend fruit, apples and things, and berries. But a lot of people, that will slow down their weight loss. Fruit does not cause weight gain, but it can slow things down because it's a bit too sweet. So if you're trying to look to improve things just a little bit, you may have to omit the fruit from your diet until you hit your ideal weight, then add it back in. All right? So then you could play around with the amount. So let's say, for example, you eliminated all the bad things, and maybe you can get away with a little bit of blueberries or berries in your Kale shake. But some people, I need to remove that completely to get them in fat burning just because their system is so sensitive. Okay, a good snack food would be hummus. Why? Because hummus has a 0 sugar grams. So we're looking at the back of the label and we're looking at the sugar amounts. One of the bad snack foods would be those protein bars because inevitably they have sugar. If you go to the store and you see all those natural bars, those meal replacement bars, a lot of those have tremendous amounts of sugar. Okay, so you want to avoid that. Over here, we can do cheese. Cheese is a fermented food, and that means that the bacteria that helps make the cheese in the fermented process eats up all the milk sugar. So that should bring it down. But over here, we have yogurt. Now again, yogurt's a healthy thing. Of course, the sweetened is really bad, but even the plain could have up to 20 grams of sugar per cup. It's still too much. Now, maybe there might be some type of yogurt in a form of kefir, which is kefir. It's a type of yogurt that I did see on the market in some of the stores that it has lactose-free. So you might want to read the back of the label and see if plain kefir would be an option. It may be, it may not be, I don't know. But the question is now what to put the peanut butter or the hummus on. Do you put it on crackers? Do you put it on apples? Well, if you're trying to lose weight, you might have to bite the bullet and put this on your favorite, which is celery, which is very exciting, right? Or put the hummus, maybe carrot sticks. Carrots actually have very low sugar, even though they're a little bit sweet. So if you juice them, they're going to be sweet. But if you have them as a fibrous thing, they're going to be okay. So you could take vegetables and dip them in these things as well. And then, of course, cheese. I like to take cheese and tomato. That's a really good thing. But not on the breads, the grains. Okay? So I just wanted to I wanted to do this video because so many people have a little too much of this. Like their diet is perfect, but the snack foods are just bumping them out of fat burning just enough to stop the results. One last thing. I recommend the kale shake, but if the kale bloats you, if anything bloats you, any bloating from any food, and that includes all the good things too, like vegetables, you're going to have to either cook the vegetables or omit those from the diet because the bloating will stop your weight loss. It's a key point. So if this is your situation and you make the change, it could be the difference between losing weight and not losing weight. Okay, so I just wanted to make a video and emphasize this one point. I'll see you in the next video.